Hello, welcome. My name is Walter. Today we are going to do fraction lesson 2 and we are going to change improper fraction to mixed fraction. Question number 1, we have 11 over 4, which is a improper fraction. We're supposed to change into mixed fraction. I'm going to use my working space here. What we're going to do, we are going to take numerator divide by denominator. We will take numerator 11 divided by, it will go by 2. We are going to get 8. Take away 11, take away 8, remain 3. Now I'm going to make my mixed fraction. The quotient is going to be the whole number, and the remainder is going to be the numerator. Then over divisor is going to be the denominator. So I'm going to get a mixed fraction, 2 whole number, 3 over 4. Let's go to question number 2, 31 over 4, change into mixed fraction. We are going to divide. We take 31, divide by 4, it goes by 7. It's going to give us 7 times 4, this is 28. Take away, borrow 1 from 3 is going to be 11, take away 8, remain 3. So my mixed fraction is going to be formed by, the quotient is going to be the whole number. So I get 7. My remainder is going to be the numerator. So 3 over, my divisor is going to be the denominator. So over 4. So I'll get 7, 3 over 4. Let's go and do question number 3, which we have 20 over 3. I'm going to my working space here. I'm going to divide. 20 divided by 3. It goes by 6. 6 times 3, I'm going to get 18. Take away. Borrow 1 from 2 is going to be 10. Take away 8, remain 2. So my quotient is going to be the whole number, which is going to be 6. My remainder is going to be my numerator, that is going to be 2. And my divisor is going to be my denominator, over 3. Let's go and do question number 4. We have 59 over 5. We are going to take 59 divided by 5. 5 divided by 5 goes by 1. It gives me 5. Take away nothing, drop 9. It goes by 1 again. It's going to be 5. And it's going to remain, take away 9, take away 5, remain 4. So my quotient is going to give me the whole number, which is going to be 11. My quotient is going to be 11. So 11. My remainder is going to give me the numerator, 4 over, and the divisor is going to give me the denominator, which is going to be 5. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.